In today's video, I'll show you how to force HTTPS in Cloudflare so every visitor automatically uses the secure version of your website. If you're new to HTTPS, it encrypts the connection between your website and your visitors, helping protect data and improve website security. Enabling automatic HTTPS redirection ensures no one accesses the unsecured version of your site. First, sign in to your Cloudflare account and open the dashboard. Then select the website where you want to enable HTTPS redirection. Next, open the SSL/TLS section from the left-hand menu. This is where Cloudflare's security and encryption settings are managed. Now go to the Edge Certificates tab. Here you'll find several HTTPS-related options for your domain. Look for the Always Use HTTPS setting. Turn this option on to automatically redirect all HTTP requests to the secure HTTPS version of your website. After enabling it, Cloudflare will save the change automatically. From this point on, visitors who type your website using HTTP will be redirected to HTTPS. Next, open your website in a browser and try accessing it with HTTP at the beginning of the address. If everything is configured correctly, it should automatically switch to HTTPS. If the redirect doesn't work, make sure your domain is active in Cloudflare and that your SSL settings are configured correctly. Also, confirm that your website is able to serve HTTPS traffic without errors. Once everything is working, your visitors will always connect through a secure, encrypted connection without needing to enter HTTPS manually. And that's how you force HTTPS in Cloudflare. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.